How to communicate with clarity and conciseness. Mastering communication is not about speaking more. It's about saying the right things with clarity, precision, and empathy. A leader who communicates well creates impact, inspires trust, and drives change. In leadership, communication is not just a skill, it's the foundation of influence. To create a strong executive presence, you need to communicate with clarity, confidence, and care. Today, we'll explore the 7 C's of communication, which, when practiced consciously, help leaders make a lasting impact, inspire trust, and influence decisions. Clarity. Clear communication ensures your message is understood without confusion. It's about being direct and to the point. Let's look at a bad example. Our goal is to improve our results significantly by implementing better strategies in all departments. Good example. Our goal is to increase sales by 10% this quarter by improving customer service and enhancing product features. Before speaking or writing, ask yourself, what is the one thing I want my audience to take away? Stick to that key point. Conciseness. Concise communication is about using fewer words to get your message across. It eliminates unnecessary detail and focuses on what's essential. Bad example. In order to meet the deadlines for the project, we need to allocate resources efficiently, ensure that the teams are aware of the timelines, and make sure that all tasks are prioritized according to the plan. Good example. To meet deadlines, we need to allocate resources efficiently and prioritize tasks. Edit your communication. Remove filler words and redundancies to keep your message tight and effective. Consideration. Consideration means understanding the audience's needs, feelings, and perspectives. You should tailor your message to resonate with them. Bad example. Your performance in this project was not good, and we need better results. Good example. I know you put efforts into this project, but there's a room for improvement. Let's discuss ways to achieve better results together. Always put yourself in the listener's shoes before you speak. Ask, how will this message make them feel, and adjust accordingly. The correctness. Correctness means ensuring your message is accurate and error-free, both in terms of facts and language. Bad example. Our company has a meeting at 9 a.m. on Friday, August 23rd, but August 23rd is a Thursday. Good example. Our company meeting is at 9 a.m. on Thursday, August 3rd. Double check your facts and grammar before sending important emails or giving presentations. Correctness builds more credibility. Concreteness. Concrete communication means being specific and providing tangible details that paint a clear picture. Bad example. Our product has improved greatly. What does it mean? Good example. Our product now has a 20% faster processing speed, a new user interface, and a 15% lower defect rate. Use numbers, facts, and details to back up your statement. This makes your communication more persuasive and trustworthy. Coherence. Coherent communication is logical and flows in a structured way. It connects ideas clearly, making it easy to follow. Bad example. We'll start with the financial report, then I'll discuss last month's marketing results, and later we will talk about the upcoming project. Good example. Let's start by reviewing last month's marketing results, and then I will share the financial report, and finally we will discuss the upcoming project. Organize your points before speaking or writing. Start with the most important points and ensure smooth transition between ideas. Courtesy. Courtesy means being respectful and polite in your communication, which fosters positive relationships. Bad example. You need to fix this immediately. This is unacceptable. Good example. I understand this was a challenging task. Can we work together to fix the issues and meet our deadline? Kindness and respect go a long way. Even when giving critical feedback, maintain a polite tone to ensure collaboration and positivity. By mastering these 7 C's, clarity, conciseness, consideration, correctness, concreteness, coherence, and courtesy, you will not only elevate your communication skills but also enhance your overall executive presence. Leaders who communicate well create impact, inspire others, and influence decisions with ease. Practice these every day and watch the difference in how people respond to you.